Hi, it is January. Just dropped my glove. Where is it? Right there. Okay. It is January 6th. We're in a snow blizzard. I just shoveled the sidewalk so it wouldn't be so hard for me tomorrow. And the driveway. I don't know if you can see this snow whipping around here. That's what's kind of going on. It's beautiful. It's got to be mid-20s to maybe 30 degrees. It's nice. The wind is now starting to pick up, as you can see by the main grass. And my birdie's even moving. There's some snow coming to the house. Here's my driveway. I got it that far. That's how much it snowed today. It snowed from about 12